In this presentation, I'm going to go over the cheese critique assignment for ATR 720. So what you're going to do in this assignment, you're going to read the book, Who Moved My Cheese? Um, After you read the book, or around the same time, I think you should probably do this after you read the book so you have a better idea what the book is about. You're going to locate and read at least 2 peer-reviewed articles that have similar content as the cheese book. So again, locate those in our online library, read the articles, and then you're going to write a paper. You're going to provide a 1-page summary of the main points of the text book, the cheese book. And then the most important part of this assignment is a 2 to 3 pages on how you can apply the principles from the cheese book and the articles that you've read. What are the implications, conclusions, takeaway from the book and article? Again, how can you use this? I want you to be very specific. The cheese book has to do with change. What's one of our themes, our learning objectives of this class is how do we deal with change? So I want you to be very specific on how you can deal with change in your workplace as an athletic trainer. And I want you to incorporate the principles from the book and incorporate the main conclusions from the articles that you've read. So 2 to 3 pages there. So the total pages is about a page and or 3.5, or sorry, 3 to 4 pages for your paper that you're going to write. Formatting, formatting, formatting. I am a little strict on that. So when you are hopefully you know the difference between first person and third person. First person is when you use personal pronouns, I, we, us, those type of things. Third person is taking yourself out of the paper. You don't use personal pronouns. Or the you is your, and all that is second person. We never use second person in this graduate program. So when you're doing your summary of the material, you use third person. On the personal application, you use first person. Typically in a paper, you don't want to switch the personhood. That's not the right term. I'm blanking on the grammatical terminology for the first and second and third person. So we typically don't do that, but for this assignment, I want you to go ahead and switch that in those sections. Follow the typical formatting requirements. I have that in the syllabus. I have provided a APA formatted template for assignments. I posted that in one of the course announcements, so you have that. Yes, it matters to me. And one thing I didn't put on here in this PowerPoint slide thing is that I also have a rubric that I'm using for this assignment and for the fish assignment, which I'll have another presentation on that whenever that is due. We will also have a threaded discussion about this text. You'll see I posted a question about the cheese book in the forum, and then you'll have a threaded discussion about the material and what you learned, so you can share that with your fellow athletic trainers. You see in the syllabus, I have included a rubric that I'll use when I assess the forum. So I think that you'll have a good discussion around the Who Moved My Cheese book. I really enjoyed the book, and that's one of the reasons why I have students read this book, because I think it helps us to understand how to deal with change in an ever-changing world. So I hope you enjoy this assignment. I think you'll find it fun and rewarding. As always, if you have questions, please ask. That's what I'm here to help you.